Judgment Day is almost upon us. Rosh Hashanah will begin in just a few more days. But Judgment Day, in a way, also applies to the last few remaining baseball teams as the playoffs will begin and a champion, a World Series, a world champion will be crowned. And often in Major League Baseball, when you have such a long, drawn-out season of 162 games, the question always becomes, is the regular season even worth it? Does it matter much? The spotlight is on you in the playoffs. If you perform in the playoffs, you're a hero. If not, you're a nobody. All that matters are the playoffs. But it's really not true at all. In order to perform in the playoffs, you have to develop habits. When you develop good habits and good teamwork, that's done in the regular season. If you don't have those 162 games to prepare you for the grind, for the spotlight, then you don't have a chance. And the reason I share that with you is because of the following thought I had in Parshas Vayeilech, the second of this week's parsha, double parsha. The last two mitzvos in the Torah are given in Parshas Vayeilech, the mitzvah of Hakel, that every 7 years we gather by the Beis Hamikdash, men, women, and children, to read Sefer Dvarim, or to hear Sefer Dvarim be read, as well as the mitzvah of Ksivas Sefer Torah, the mitzvah to write our own Torah, to own Svarim, to learn, to study the Torah. And the reason for both mitzvahs are almost identical. L'man yishma'u, l'man yilmadu, to hear it and learn is the mitzvah of Hakel. The lamda is b'nei Yisrael, to teach, to learn the Torah is the mitzvah of writing a Sefer Torah. And I find it interesting and curious that both these mitzvahs are not only written in our parsha, but are the final two mitzvahs. Perhaps the connection is as follows. So often we focus on the playoffs, the Super Bowls, when the spotlight is on you, the once every 7 years when everyone gathers together as a community, as a nation, to celebrate the Torah, to affirm our connection, our commitment to the Torah. That's what matters. And yes, it's true, it's important. Everyone comes together and celebrates on those occasions. But that's not what makes you a hero or a champion. What makes you unique is if you're able to build those habits. If you're able to show on the daily, Kislu lachem es ashir azos, the mitzvah of owning a Torah, writing a Torah, studying the Torah each and every single day, when you develop those habits, that makes the Hakel so much sweeter. People go to the Daf Yomi celebration at MetLife Stadium, and it's an amazing experience. Just to be there, the atmosphere, the environment is really special. But what makes it even more special are the ones who study the Daf Yomi each and every single day. And now, at the culmination of the Siyum, they're out there together, celebrating what they did all those years. For each and every single one of us, our Rosh Hashanah is approaching. The spotlight is upon us. And we're all going to be in shul. We're all going to be praying and davening. And it's going to be a sweet, healthy, and happy year for all of us and for Klal Yisrael. But what will make it even sweeter is if we have been able to put in all the work over the last year, each and every single day, coming to Minyan, putting on tefillin, lighting Shabbos candles, spending time davening, learning, praying. That's what makes Rosh Hashanah an even sweeter day for an even sweeter new year. May all of us be inscribed in the Sifrei HaChaim, La'alter, L'Chaim Tovim, L'Shalom. Have a good Shabbos.